Choosing the right ERP can make or break your business, especially for discrete manufacturers that build products like automotive parts, machinery, or electronics. From managing complex bill of materials, or BOMs, to sourcing raw materials, we'll cover the must-have features and best ERPs for various discrete manufacturing styles. Hi, I'm Jeff Budiak with Software Connect, your go-to partner for software reviews, research, and recommendations. A recent study found that 71% of global companies see raw material costs as their biggest supply chain concern. For businesses that rely on steady material sourcing, that's a big deal. That's where manufacturing ERP comes in. It helps you control inventory to prevent shortages and manage production through BOMs. Just a heads up, we'll discuss some ballpark pricing. However, in practice, ERP costs can vary wildly dependent upon your requirements. But don't worry, we can source quotes from various ERP vendors. If you're ready to find the right software, just give us a call for a free needs analysis. Just click on the link in the description or visit softwareconnect.com. We'll get you matched with the ERP vendor that strengthens your supply chain. Now, let's get started. First up, DELMIAWorks is our recommendation for high-volume, made-for-stock manufacturers. It can keep your material costs in check by preventing excess stock. DELMIAWorks manages tight inventory cycles with smart demand forecasting. You can run sales analysis and production forecasts based upon past shipment or order data. That way, you're always ready for demand surges. Plus, it supports customized forecast formulas for different product lines. It even makes recommendations based upon historical data. One unique feature is its what-if scenario analysis. Suppose you predict a sudden surge in demand. DELMIAWorks can model how this spike will affect everything from labor needs to the supplier lead times. This lets you adjust before disruptions occur. And if demand slows, the software can help you tweak your schedules to avoid overproduction. They don't list their pricing on their website, but we estimate DELMIAWorks costs around $250 per user per month with a minimum of 5 users. It's a decent option if you're in consumer electronics or furniture and home goods. Next, Acumatica Manufacturing Edition is our favorite pick for made-to-order production. Using the product configurator, you can easily manage complex customized orders. Just set dependencies that guide your customers through valid selections. For items with different options, such as custom doors or windows, this configurator reduces errors. As customers select options, Acumatica flags valid and invalid choices in real time to prevent mistakes. Once an order is complete, Acumatica's system links it directly to a BOM. This connection lets you set default materials while allowing customized options, like different finishes or materials, to be swapped in. This configurator and BOM integration streamlines order processing and production. Acumatica's manufacturing package starts around $3,500 per month for 10 users or less. Expect implementation fees to be 2 times your total yearly cost. Next up is xTuple, our top pick for engineer-to-order production. In industries like custom machinery, projects involve one-off designs and changing specifications. xTuple's revision control tool is a game changer. It helps manage multiple BOM versions and routings as designs evolve. You can set each version as active, pending, or inactive. This lets you work on new designs without disrupting current production. For example, you might set a new design to pending so you can validate and test it while the active version stays in use. This ERP simplifies revision changes too. You can generate work orders from inactive revisions by customer request. xTuple even includes audit trails and logs to help you monitor changes to BOMs. While the workflows can feel constrained and the interface could be a bit more streamlined, it's adept at maintaining quality control in your plant. xTuple starts at around $175 per user per month. Your final cost varies based upon factors like the hosting option and support package you choose. While the full pricing details aren't listed online, we can provide a custom quote. At Software Connect, we tailor recommendations based upon your specific needs and budget, all through a free needs analysis. Just click on the link in the description or head over to softwareconnect.com to get started. Now, let's get back to our picks. SAP S/4HANA is our pick for aerospace and defense manufacturers. That's because it offers strong BOM management and compliance with AS9100. For handling complex assemblies like aircraft, the multi-level BOM tool is useful. For example, you can break down a fighter jet into propulsion systems, avionics, or sensor components, each of which may involve thousands of individual parts. This helps you separate detailed projects into layers for better production efficiency. But S/4HANA doesn't stop there. The system also supports product variants. That means you can track different configurations like different types of weaponry setups with ease. The side-by-side BOM comparison tool is another standout feature. It helps you spot differences in configurations, ensuring any changes you make won't negatively impact other variants. S/4HANA's pricing reflects its deep feature set. Hosted subscriptions start at around $20,000 per month. On-premise deployments can range from $200,000 to over $2 million for a perpetual license. So it's best suited for large aerospace and defense firms with a global footprint. Finally, we have ECI M1, a solid choice for electronics manufacturers. When you're sourcing semiconductors and circuit boards from global suppliers, managing lead times is vital. The MRP module lets you set cutoff dates for each component. You can also run specific job sessions based on plant location, part ID, and even supplier preferences. ECI M1's interface may feel a bit dated with its ribbon navigation and panel windows. That said, it allows users to drill into records quickly. So it's way easier to monitor session statuses and view jobs. This setup is especially helpful for electronics, where overlapping job runs can lead to bottlenecks and component shortages. By setting automated alerts, you can manage these risks before they disrupt production. ECI M1 also does not publicly list their pricing, but it starts at around $3,000 per month. Your total cost of ownership is based upon user count, business size, and any ongoing support you need. It's a higher starting price compared to ERP solutions like xTuple, but it's a great tool when you're juggling several jobs and component orders across multiple plants. These 5 systems are only a few of our top picks. For a complete list of discrete manufacturing ERP, check out our roundup. We have options for sectors like automotive, medical devices, and consumer goods. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more manufacturing tips. Have a specific question about your operations? Leave a comment, or for personalized suggestions, visit softwareconnect.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.